So friends, in this problem we'll have to find out the surface area of this three-dimensional shape. So in this three-dimensional shape, you can see this is a triangle. The opposite side of this shape, this is also a triangle which I have marked as 2, and it has three rectangles. So the first one is the base, second one is the side, okay, and third one is this sloping area. So if we can find out the area of this, the five shapes that we discussed, we can find out the total surface area. So now let's find out the surface area of the triangle. What is the formula to find out the area of the triangle, which is half into base into height. So here it is half, the base is 4, right? This is the base, and the height is 3. So let's cut this one and 6. As I said, this side and this side are same. These two sides are same. So can I do 6 into 2, which is 12 centimeter square. Okay, so we find out the area of this two sides. Now we are left with three rectangles, this and this. So the first one is length is 6, width is 4. Okay, the area for rectangle is what? It is length into width. So what is the length here? 6, and what is the width here? It is 4. Okay, so 24 centimeter square. Now let's go to the second one, this one. The second one, this is 6, so I can say this is also 6. So the length is 6. Okay, what is the width? Width is 3. Width is 3. Okay, so 3. So it is 18 centimeter square. Now the third one. Okay, so the third one is the sloping one. In this sloping one, the length is 6, so 6, and the width is 5. Okay, so it is 5. So 6 into 5, which is 30 centimeter square. Now we'll have to add all these 5 sides to find out the total surface area. Now to do that, what we got it first, 12 centimeter square, these two sides, and then we got the first one as 24, second one is 18, third one is 30. Okay, cm square and cm square. So if you add everything, this is 4, this is 84. So 84 centimeter square. Okay, so it's easy.